Hello guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Taylor series. Okay, so let us take one question based on Taylor series. Now use Taylor series method to find y at x equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 up to third derivative term where dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square with y of 0 is equal to 1. Now here we need to understand, okay, what is given. So here given data is dy by dx, right? So we'll write that dy by dx is given, that's equal to x square plus y square. And what else is given? Then y of 0 is given, that is nothing but 1. This indicates that here you have to remember that 1 denotes x of 0, okay, because y of 0 means this is a function of x. So I can write x of 0 is equal to what? 0. And what about y of 0? Y of 0 is nothing but 1. Y of 0 is given in the question. X of 0 means this term. X of 0 is this term. Y of 0 means this term. Okay, x of 0, y of 0. So these two are given in the question. Now what you have to find? We have to find y at x equal to 0.1. That means you have to find y of 0.1, okay, y of 0.2, like that we have to find up to third derivative term. Okay, so first we'll start with the first derivative term, that is y dash. So we have to write what? Y dash. So this is nothing but y dash, right? Differentiation of y with respect to x, that means this is a y dash. So y dash is equal to what? X square plus y square, that is given in the question, right? So I can write y dash of 0. What will be y dash of 0? That is nothing but x0 plus y0. I'm just replacing it with what? 0. That means x of 0, y of 0, that is nothing but y dash of 0. Now what is the value of y dash of 0? We have to find. Now what is x of 0? That is given in the question, right? X of 0 is nothing but 0. So I can write 0 square will be 0 itself. So I'll just write it. Y of 0 square. Y of 0 is 1. So I'll just write 1 square. Okay. So this will give me the answer as 1. So I got the value of y dash of 0. Now proceeding to next, that is y double dash. So we have to differentiate this term, right? How to differentiate this term? With respect to x we have to differentiate. So x square differentiation is 2x plus y square differentiation will be 2y into differentiate again y with respect to x means y dash. I hope you know the differentiation. So we have to differentiate with respect to x, not with respect to y. Okay, so 2y will be the differentiation of this term. Again you have to differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, that will give me y dash. Now again you have to find what? Y double dash 0, that is nothing but what? 2x0 plus 2y0 into y dash 0. Okay, so what this will give me the value as x of 0 is what? 0. So I can directly write this is 0. This term becomes 0. Okay, this whole term. Now 2y of 0. What is 2 into y of 0? Y of 0 is what? 1 into y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is 1. So 1. So 2 into 1 into 1, that is nothing but 2. So we got the value of y double dash of 0. Proceeding to the y triple dash, that is third derivative term. Okay, third derivative term. What is third derivative term here? Here again you have to differentiate this term, not this term. Okay, remember you have to differentiate y double dash in order to get y triple dash, that is third derivative. Differentiate this term with respect to x. 2x differentiation becomes 2. 2 constant take outside, y into y dash. Here you have to apply UV rule, differentiation of UV rule. So first this is VU, this is V. So first as it is, differentiation of second, that is double dash, plus second as it is, differentiation of first, again y dash. Okay, differentiation means just you have to put differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so we got this value again. So again you have to do what? So we'll just do it. 0 you have to put. So 2 is a constant, it remains as it is. 2 into y of 0 into y dash of 0 plus y dash of 0 into y dash of 0 again. So which will give me the value as what? So we have to simplify. So this is 2, right? This is 2 plus 2 of, so 2 plus 2 of y of 0 is what? 1, that is given in the question. Y double dash of 0, that is this term, so 2, so into 2 plus y dash of 0, that is 1, into y dash of 0, that is again 1. So 1 into 2, that is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So I got this value. Now the last and the final step is that, see, in the question it was given you have to do up to till what? Third derivative. So I am stopping till here, third derivative. If it is given, if suppose in the question it is given you have to do till fourth the derivative and all, so you have to again proceed further and differentiate this term. Okay, so I'll just write up the Taylor series, that will be the final answer, and just you have to substitute the values. So Taylor series is given as y of x is equal to y of 0 plus x minus x naught into y dash of 0 plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash x naught, or we can say 0. This I will just explain it now. Okay, plus x minus x naught whole cube y triple dash of x naught whole divided by what? 3 factorial. Okay, so what is given in this series? Now you must be wondering about this, that from where we got x naught and all. See, basically in the question one value was given, that is y of 0 is equal to 1. So I said this basically indicates y of 0. This is nothing but what? X naught, and this is y naught. That means y of 0 is 1, x of 0 is 0. That's a major thing. But in the series we'll just we can see in many of the textbook they are using this notation. So x naught, it's nothing but what? X of 0, that is 0. Okay, here I can replace this as what? Y of x naught, because x naught I know what is the value of x naught? 0 itself. So if suppose in the question if they say like x naught is given as 1, then you have to replace this with what? 1, this with 1, here also this with what? 1, again here this with 1. So it's better to write it in this form itself, that is y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square by 2 factorial, then y double dash of x naught plus like that. Okay, so x naught basically means that in the question x naught means x of 0 is 0 here in this question, y of 0 is 1, that is y naught. Okay, I'll just rewrite the Taylor series again. So y of x is equal to what? Y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught, okay, plus x minus x naught whole square by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught. So third derivative ends here. Okay, now observe here. Now what you have to do, we have to place, so we have to find y of what, x value is 0.1, right? Y of 0.1 we have to find. So first we will simplify these terms, we will substitute all the values. So basically y of x, I'll just simplify this equation. What is y of x naught? That is y of 0 itself, because x naught is 0, right? In the question itself it's given. So y of 0 is 1 plus x minus x naught. So x minus x naught is 0. Y dash of x naught, that means this indicates that is y dash of 0 because x naught is 0. Okay, now you have to into y dash of 0. Y dash of 0, that is nothing but 1 plus x minus x naught value is 0 again, whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of 0, that is 2 plus x minus x naught, so x minus 0 again, whole square by 3 factorial y triple dash. What is y triple dash value? 8. Okay, so I'll just simplify. 1 plus this becomes x plus x, see, x square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 itself, 2 get cancelled, so this get cancelled. Okay, so I'll just write it as plus, so here I can write x power, this becomes, oh sorry, this becomes what, cube, right? X power 3. When triple derivative comes here, cube will come, double derivative 2 will come, one derivative power 1 will come here, right? That's the logic behind that. So x square, x cube, sir, x cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, so 2 into 1 into 8 is there, so 2 4, right? So I can write it as 1 plus x square plus 4 by 3 x cube. So this is the final expression. Now what? Now just you have to place y of, we have to find what, y of 0.1. That means in place of x you have to place 0.1. Just you have to place and find the value. So I'll just write it, the value of, what is that, value of y of 0.1, value of 0.2, that is 1.250. Just in place of x you have to place 0.1, for this 0.2, and y dash of 0.3, that is 1.426. So this is the final answer. Okay, for simplify the expression, then you substitute all these values and find out these values. Okay.